Hi guys. So today what I'm going to be showing you is how to lower the music or media volume on OBS Studio. And this could be useful maybe if you'd like to stream something. That's basically the main use. Okay. So what you're going to need to do is open up OBS, and what you're also going to need to do is your like if you're just starting to use OBS, you're gonna open up this tab and you're gonna look for audio output capture. You're just gonna click on that. Mine is quite simple. I don't have a mic or advanced setup, so you just add that in. And yeah, so then it's gonna give you this option, and basically this is where you adjust the volume for. So, if you want it lower, you can lower the volume and you can also increase it. Okay, pretty straightforward. But yeah, that's basically how the process works. And